In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Xbox Series S or X controller that is disconnecting randomly. Well, there's a few solutions, and the first one, before even going further, I would say you need to try to switch the batteries. Sometimes, even if the batteries are still good, even if the batteries still have a bit of juice in them, you better try changing them first, because most of the time this is the problem and just a fresh set of batteries will solve the issue. Now, if this doesn't change anything, another thing you can try quickly is if you have a hard drive or a USB storage connected to your Xbox, you need to disconnect that drive from the Xbox. Sometimes, I don't know why, don't ask me why, this is causing your controller to disconnect randomly. So make sure nothing is connected in any USB port of the Xbox. Now, another solution you can try is to go into the settings of your Xbox, then go down until you go in Systems, go over Update, click on Update Console, and you may have an update pending, like in my case. Sometimes this could be the problem as well. Okay, so go ahead and update. I won't do it now because I'm filming. And in the settings, you can also go over here, Devices and Connections. Select the first one, Controllers and Headset. And from here, this is your controller. Go down, select these three dots. And you may have an update pending for your controller. So you need to check if there's updates for the Xbox, but also updates for the controller. Then press A, and you'll have this screen. If there's something, update now, press A. And now you just have to wait until it updates. And again, sometimes it fixes your problem. And by the way, if you're not able to do anything that I showed you now because your controller is completely disconnected and it's very hard to navigate, what you can do is to connect over here a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A and connect it to your Xbox console. And this way you'll be able to use the controller without the wireless feature. So it will be wired and it will work this way. And you'll be able to select those updates manually. Now, if nothing works, what we can do is to do a reset of the Xbox. There's a factory reset, but there's actually another type of reset that I'll just show you, where your games won't get deleted. You may have some updates of your games getting deleted, but everything else will stay on your console. So what you need to do is to go into the settings, and from here we're going to go all the way to System, then select Console and Info, select Reset Console. And you see here, these are the two modes that I was talking about. You have reset and remove everything. This is not what we want to select. And we have reset and keep games and apps. Select this. The console will do its thing. Just let it sit. It will shut down. It will restart. And then hopefully it will solve your issue you're having with your controller. So I hope this was useful. If one of these worked, please type a comment in the comments section. If you have other solutions, please leave them down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to hear them. If not, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.